Tuntum Sarkar na bi chiana patua chuan Mizoram Public Works Department Mizoram PWD kan bi chiang le don ani post sang te salaries te vacant post le tun hnaya Mizoram PWD nuaya post lak tharte kan bi chiang le don ani warning he bi chiana video hi zirlai nozong lai tele competitive exam bei mek tu de tana career guidance kalmangin ko huna tana siamani a shiana dizau tu tan kan man ngei ka bei sayani official ani lo wangin adik chi lo lai le fel hel deuh lai te om theya chutiang mani chuan comment na lama kanin rile maidonia tuntum kan video content lang puite han en le thuak ila PWD department waya post rang te permanent post temporary le MR contract kan tiang chi te kha kan en hawanga chumi zo chuan department post rang te le an lal dan an thunei dan in dotin kan en lenga group A group B group C le group D post te tin an hlo te le pay levels 7 pay matrix atangin kan enanga post rang te le an hlo salary details salary calculation kan en ho lenga post ruak bi chianna kan nei le nuwa tun hnaya PWD nuaya post rang lak thar than khatte post ruak no khate kan en ho le donani masaberin permanent post permanent designation post kha an enila pakhatna chuan chief engineer superintending engineer executive engineer joint director of accounts AESDO FAO superintendent assistant or HA junior engineer JE inspector of statistics stenographer grade 3 mechanic grade 1 OS grade 2 LDC draftman grade 3 group D AO surveyor carpenter mechanic grade 2 fitter stenographer grade 2 AAO Jugali senior architect assistant architect welder UDC kanti tau kha permanent post ten ya temporary post lo en leila engineering chief engineer superintending engineer executive engineer deputy director of administration AESDO LSC FAO handyman superintendent research officer SLAO SR and RS stenographer 1 AO assistant stenographer grade 2 junior engineer JE peon draftman grade 2 driver grade 1 UDC stenographer grade 3 OS 2 LDC draftman grade 3 EPABX operator carpenter DAF 3 group D AO assistant AO driver mechanic grade 1 train SA section assistant draftman grade 1 chief architect senior architect assistant architect draftman lab technician draftman grade 3 assistant or HA electrician mechanic grade 2 charge mechanic wireman driller plant operator jugali surveyor kangtekha temporary post ania contract le master role MR kanti thauka en leila JE junior engineer civil architect JE OS 2 driver computer operator LDC welder surveyor SA section assistant lab technician carpenter mechanic draftman hot mix operator le helper kan tiang chi te kha an nia xerox operator marbot operator handyman group D le jugadi te kha an ni bok ani permanent post temporary post le master role te kha video masalama khan adang lamna kan soi to tuntuma chuan soinon le to lo maila post rang tele anlal danin dotin PWD Public Works Department Mizoram Public Works Department nuaya post rang tele an lal danin dotin an en ho leila pakhatna chuan PWD Engineer in Chief kha alal bera Engineer in Chief Group A level of pay chuan 14 ania Chief Engineer Group A level of pay 13A ani Chief Architect Group A 13A level of pay ania Chief Engineer Group A level of pay 13 Superintending Engineer Group A level of pay 13 Senior Architect Group A ania level of pay hi 13 ani Joint Director of Accounts Group A level of pay 13 Executive Engineer Group A ni in level of pay 12 ani Architect Group A level of pay 12 Deputy Director of Admin Group A ni in level of pay hi 12 ani AESDO Group A level of pay 10 Administrative Officer AO Group A level of pay 10 Assistant Architect Group A level of pay 10 LSC Group A level of pay 10 FAO Group A level of pay 10 Superintendent Group A level of pay 10 Research Officer Group A level of pay 10 SLAO Group A level of pay 10 SR and RS Group A level of pay 10 Stenographer Grade 1 Group A level of pay 10 Administrative Officer AO Group B level of pay 8 Assistant or HA Group B level of pay 7 Assistant Administrative Officer Group B level of pay 7 Stenographer Grade 2 Group B level of pay 7 Junior Engineer Assistant Draftman Grade 2 Driver Grade 1 UDC Stenographer Grade 3 Draftman kang ho ka Group B vek an nia level of pay 7 vek an ni bokani it's one UDC Stenographer Grade 3 Driver Group B ni in level of pay 6 an nia Electrician Grade 1 Group B level of pay 6 Mechanic Grade 1 Group B level of pay 6 Driver Grade 1 OS Grade 2 Draftman Grade 2 Train Section Assistant Train SA Junior Engineer Inspector of Statistics kang ho ka Group B vek an nia level of pay 6 an ni vekani it's one Group C and le taila Mechanic Grade 1 Group C level of pay 5 OS Grade 2 Draftman Grade 3 Surveyor kang ho ka Group C vek ni in level of pay 5 anini Draftman Grade 2 Group C level of pay 5 LDC Mechanic Grade 2 Charge Mechanic Draftsman Grade 3 Wireman Driller Plant Operator Carpenter Draftman Grade 2 Lab Technician EPA BX Operator kang ho ka Group C vek ni in level of pay po 4 vek anini Welder Group C ni in level of pay 4 Fitter Group C level of pay 4 Duff Tree tang yan Group D ani leta level of pay hi 1A ani Jugali Group D level of pay 1 Group D kan ti chuanin pion te cook tele chokidar kan tiang chi te khan ni a Group D level of pay 1 Handyman Group D level of pay 1 Pion Group D level of pay 1 ten ni kang ho ka Group A B C le D ten ni a Temporary le Permanent post ten ni a tuna chuan contract le MR en leila JE Civil contract ania thlakata singhi sangret le zat an hloni chuan Architect MR ania Nitin Zaruk Somli per day 640 per day lo in MR an ni JE te OS grade 2 te driver te tin LDC welder surveyor SA lab tech carpenter mechanic computer operator draftman hot mix operator Xerox operator marbot operator kang ho zong ka MR ni in ni kata 520 per day ani handyman group D jugali kan ti ho ka MR thon niya handyman big ka 420 per day aniya chuan group D le jugali hi 380 per day ani tuna chuan salary calculation kan lo en ho lenga group A level 14 masabera chuan engineer in chief ania Mizoram PWD group A khan engineer in chief ka sang bera level 14 hlo pachin hi engineer in chief chiomani salary formula hi masabera hantar langila ale peka chuanin salary formula hi kan tar lang to don lo ni salary chu basic pay plus dearness allowance TA chu 17% of basic pay ani thina chuan HRA 8% of basic pay khang ho zong kha thlo pa ngai khani thina amero chu Aizawl district tan khan SPA kan tia special compensatory allowance kha sangthum zali om thina tin family planning allowance FPA kha kan avail bok chuan thlakata zangale somnga kan dong don bokani ti chuan engineering chief lo chutaila basic pay chu level 14 7 matrix pay kan en chuanin level 14 basic pay chu noi khat singli le zahni ania ti chuan DA 17% of basic pay chu singni sangthum zaria somthum pali ania HRA 8% of basic pay chu cheng singkhat sangkha zahni som paruk ani chuan SPA ka sangthum zali le FPA ka zanga somnga nia ti chuanin final salary basic pay plus DA plus HRA engineering chief tan cheng nuai khat sing sari sanga zahni somnga ani SPA le FPA anavel tal chuan engineering chief thlakhat lo chu cheng nuai khat sing sari sangkwa zahni ani group A level 13A chung chu in chief engineer le chief architect te khalan hlo a basic pay level 13A chu noi khat sing thum sang khat le za ania DA singni sangni zani somre pasari HRA singkhat zali somre pariat nia ti chuan final salary chu cheng noi khat singruk sangthum zare somsari panga ani SPA le FPA tal chuan noi khat singruk sangsari zare somni panga ani don ani group A tho level 13 en leila heta hian post li chief engineer superintending engineer senior architect le joint director of accounts te khan level 13 an hlowa basic pay level 13 chu cheng noi khat singni sangthum le za ania DA singni le zakwa somni pasari HRA sangkwa zare somli pariat ten nia chuan final salary tan group A level 13 ho khan cheng noi khat singa sangthum zare somsari pangan hlopa SPA le FPA atelin cheng noi khat singa sangsari zaria somni pangan hlopa ni group A level 12 ho en le taila chuta chuan executive engineer senior architect le deputy director of administration khang ho khan group A level 12 an hlopa a chuan level 12 basic pay chu cheng sing sari sangriat le zariat ania DA chu singkha sangthum zathum samkwa le paruk HRA sangruk le zathum le chengli ania ti chuan final salary for group A level 12 chu cheng singkwa sangre le zanga ania SPA le FPA an avail tel chuan cheng noi khat sang ni zali somnga ani group A level 10 ho hlon en le taila henga hian group A level 10 hlo pachin chu AESDO te AO te assistant architect LSC FAO superintendent research officer SLAO SRNRS le stenographer grade 1 10 ya basic pay level 10 chu singa sangruk le zania DA sangkwa zanga somthum pasari HRA sangli zali le sumre le pariadani tichuan final salary for group A level 10 ho chu cheng sing sari le za somni panga ani SPA le FPA anavel tel chuan sing sari sangli le som sari le panga mthlo phani tuna chuan group B en le taila group B level 8 group B level 8 hi administrative officer AO chen hlowa basic pay for level 8 chu cheng singli sangli le zakuania DA sangsari zaruk somthum pathum HRA sangthum zanga somkwa le pahni ania tichuan group B level 8 final salary chu cheng singa sangruk le somni panga ni SPA le FPA anvel tel chuan singruk le cheng somsari le panga athlo phani group B level 7 assistant or HA te AO te stenographer grade 2 junior engineer JE assistant draftman grade 2 driver grade 1 UDC stenographer grade 3 le draftman te khan group B level 10 an hlo pha basic pay en le taila level 7 cheng singthum sangkwale za ania DA sangruk zaruk somli le pasari HRA sangthum le za somni le pariat ania tichuan final salary for a group B level 7 chu cheng singli sangria zaria somsari panga ani SPA le FPA anavel tel chuan singa sangni zaria somni panga an hloni group B tho level 6 hawan en le taila UDC te stenographer grade 3 te driver mechanic grade 1 driver grade 1 OS grade 2 draftman grade 2 train SA junior engineer inspector of statistics electrician ho te khan level 6 an hlo pha basic pay for level 6 chu cheng singthum sanga le zali ania DA sangruk le cheng som pariat ania HRA sangni zare somthum pahni ania tichuanin group B level 6 ho final salary chu cheng singli sangli le zanhi somnga ni SPA le FPA anavel tel chuan singli sangre le zahni an hlo ani tuna chuan group C level 5 ho hlo en le taila OS2 te draftman grade 3 surveyor mechanic grade 1 le draftman grade 2 te khan group C level 5 an hlo a basic pay for level 5 ka en le taila singni sangkwa le zahni ania DA sangli zakwa somrupali HRA sangni zathum somthum le paruk ani tichuan group C level 5 final salary chu cheng singthum sangruk le zanga ania SPA le FPA level tel chuan singli le zali somnga an hloni group C tho level 4 en le taila yango hi mechanic 2 te charge mechanic draftman grade 3 wireman driller plant operator carpenter draftman grade 2 lab technician EPA BX operator LDC welder tele fitter tikhan group C level 4 pay an hloa chuan basic pay level 4 chu cheng singhi sanga le zanga ania DA sangli le zathum somthum panga HRA sangni le somli ania tichuan final salary chu cheng singthum sangka zaria somsari panga ania SPA le FPA anavel tel chuan singthum sanga zaria somni panga an hlo ani group D level 1A hlo en le taila DAF3 kanti ho khan group D level 1A salary in lo ti chuanin basic pay level 4 basic pay level 1A chu cheng singkhat sangriat ania DA sangthum le somrup HRA sangkhazali somli ti chuan basic pay ti chuan final salary for group D level 1A chu cheng singhi sangni le zanga ania SPA le FPA telin cheng singhi saruk zali le somnga anhloni group D level 1 chunde chu group D jugali kan ti te handyman le pion te kan anhlowa basic pay level 1 chu cheng singkha sangsari le zali dearness allowance sangni zakwa somnga le pariat HRA sangkha zatum somkwa le pahni ti chuan final salary for group D level 1 chu cheng singni sangkha zasari somnga SPA le FPA telin singni sanga le zasari anhlo ani tuna chuan Mizoram Public Works Department PWD employee te hlo lo khai khomila Engineering Chief Group A level 14 ania cheng noi khat singsari sanga zanhi somnga anhlowa Chief Engineer noi khat singruk sangthum zare somsari panga Chief Architect Chief Engineer Superintendent Engineer Senior Architect Joint Director of Accounts Kang Ho Zong Khan Thakata cheng noi khat singa sangthum zare somsari panga anhloni Executive Engineer te Architect te Deputy Director of Administration te khan thakata singkua sangriat le zanga anhlowa chuan ASDO Administrative Officer AO te Assistant Architect LSC FAO Superintendent Research Officer SLAO SRNRS Stenographer Grade 1 te khan thakata singsari le za somni panga anhloni Administrative Officer AO hian Group B hian thakata singa sangruk le za somni panga hlowa Assistant or HA hian thakata singli sangre zare somsari panga hlowa Assistant Administrative Officer te Stenographer Grade 2 Junior Engineer Assistant Draftman Grade 2 Driver Grade 1 UDC Stenographer Grade 3 Draftman kanti ho khan thakata cheng singli sangriat zariat somsari pangan hlowa UDC Stenographer Grade 3 Driver Group B level of pay 6 ho khan thakata cheng singli sangli le zanhi somnga anhlowa Electrician Grade 1 Mechanic Grade 1 Driver Grade 1 OS Grade 2 Draftman Grade 2 Train SA Junior Engineer Inspector of Statistics Group B ho level pay 6 ho khan thakata cheng singli sangli le zanhi somnga anhlo vekani Group CB ka Mechanic Grade 1 OS Grade 2 Draftman Grade 3 Surveyor Draftman Grade 2 kanti ho khan thakata singthum sangruk le zangan hlowa LDC Mechanic Grade 2 Church Mechanic Draftman Grade 3 Wireman Driller Plant Operator Carpenter Draftman Grade 2 Lab Technician EPA BX Operator Welder Fitter Kang Ho Zong Khan thakata cheng singthum sangkha zare somsari panga anhloni Dove 3 Group D level of pay 1A khan thakata singhi sangni le zanga hlowa Jugali Group D Handyman Pion kanti ho Group D level 1 ho khan thakata singhi sangkha zasari somnga anhlo pha ani chuan MR Contract B ka khan Junior Engineer Civil Contract Fixed Pay ania thakata singhi sangre le za MR Contract Fixed Pay topala khan neya tin ama ka soeng khan Architect te JE OS2 driver kan ti te LDC welder surveyor SA lab technician carpenter mechanic computer operator draftman hot mix operator Xerox operator marbot operator handyman group D jugali kan ti ho kha MR rang te nia kata khan skill 1 te semi skill skill 2 kan ti tele unskilled ang khanin pay khan then sanga ti Mizorama hian MR hi thlakhatlu ang chi de kan siam sak thin awangin nitin 420 per day ang khanan pekher lawani chuwang chuanin thlallo hi fix ta ka soi the ni lo wangin ti hian nei manin an lo chut mai don nia chuana to bera post ruak no khalo then khatte lo anila engineer in chief te chief engineer chief architect chief engineer tin superintendent engineer kan ti ho group A ho khanin post ruak no khalo hi om manglova chuan group AB ka hian AESDO group A level of pay te na hian permanent B ka post som pakwarwa ka temporary hian post ruak om lawa chuan SLAO group A thawa hian permanent post ruak om lawa temporary hian post ruak pakhat oma SRNRS hian permanent post ruak om lawa temporary post ruak pakhat om boka administrative officer AO kan tia khan permanent post ruak pathum oma temporary post ruak om lawa assistant HA kan tia khanin permanent post ruak pakhat om bokani tichuan JE kan ti junior engineer group B level of pay 7 akan permanent post ruak pal somruk le pali oma tichuan UDC group B level of pay 6 akan permanent post ruak somni pali om boka stenographer grade 3 permanent post ruak pasari oma tichuan OS grade 2 group C level of pay 5 akan permanent post ruak som pali oma temporary post ruak om lawa LDC group C level of pay 4 permanent post ruak pasari oma fitter group C level of pay 4 permanent post ruak pahni oma chuan group D B ka hian permanent post ruak somngale pakhat om bokani tichuan totalin tihanan chu don taila permanent post permanent P ka hianin permanent vacant post asum kwale pahni oma temporary vacant post pahni oma tichuanin total number of vacant posts permanent le temporary khana pahnia total number of vacant posts chu post asum kwale pali omani tichuan MR le contract B ka hian post ruak dalan om shri lawani tichona topna bera tun hnai kumsahni le som pakwa le sahni le som ni inkar chunga khan Mizoram PWD noya post lak thar thren khatte oma chungte chu section assistant SA kha PWD department in exam khan kondaka MPSC khanan kondak lawa department an kondaka khatahan post rate an lani chuan kumsahni le som ni March tha khan AESDO MES Mizoram Engineering Service kan tia khan AE le SDO post som le pariat an laboka chuan JE Junior Engineer kan ti kha post som li lak turania kha PWD department big thau khanan contact dona coronavirus lenga wangin exam hun kha anla fix thailo mero chu jai post som li po hi no kha tura omsa ani tichona khai khom la chuan tuna post rok sang kan soita ka khan post rok eng mazat chu no kha ani le ta a kumsa ni le som ni kum top lama phei chuan in post rok eng mazat hi no kha ani be sei ani bokani